Hey guys, my name is Doug with Infotainmentcom. Today I want to talk to you guys about all the different things that we offer for the Ram truck, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain it in a couple different segments for model years 09 to 2012, 2013 through 2019, and then 2019 through 2020. The 19 is the split year. So let's go ahead and get started with the 09 to 2012. So some of the most popular upgrades we carry for the 9 to 12 customers is replacement radios and upgraded radios. So here is the RES radio. This looks familiar to a lot of you. This is the base model radio for the 09 to 12. It does have Sirius satellite radio and Bluetooth connectivity compatibility. So what we offer is all factory parts. If you want to add satellite radio, we have the factory parts to get satellite radio working for you. We also have the Bluetooth through Uconnect parts to activate it for this radio. Now maybe you already have this radio, maybe you want those features and more with the touchscreen radio. This is the MyGig radio. This one has built-in DVD, built-in hard drive for music storage, and best of all, it's backup camera ready. So we carry a plug and play backup camera kit for these Ram trucks 09 to 12. Marries right to this radio, and then you program the vehicle's BCM with the paired OBD Genie device. Okay, so an awesome upgrade there. As I mentioned, factory satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth. These are all very popular items we have for the 09 to 12, as well as cat skin leather interiors. We offer all different types in shades for your 09 to 12 Ram, as well as the newer ones. All right, guys, let's talk about the 2013 through 2019 classic body Ram truck. Okay, this pertains to the 1500 right through the heavy duties. Some of our most popular upgrades. We'll start on the exterior of the vehicle. Power folding mirrors, one of our great upgrades. We offer this for 13 through 19. Both the tow style mirror and the standard mirror. We'll send you a complete kit for a plug and play installation, all pre-programmed. You'll have the button here on your switch set to fold your mirrors in and out. What an awesome upgrade. We pair it along with the OBD Genie device to get that programming started. This is the base model radio here. This is the RA2 option code. Most of you who have this want backup camera. Whether you have the 8-inch screen already or this particular system, we have plug and play backup camera kits for the 13 to 19 Ram trucks. Plug and play upgrade, very, very easy to install. We have how-to videos for all of our upgrades. You'll be very, very amazed. On to that, we also have factory satellite radio upgrades. Maybe you just want to add satellite radio, you can certainly do that. Those of you who have the smaller screen, you can go up to the 8.4-inch RA3 or RA4 with GPS navigation. This is a very, very popular upgrade. We offer it with not only our own custom bezel, but we also offer it with the factory bezel. So you retain all factory features and functions with this upgrade. It's also very popular to upgrade this with the backup camera. Maybe you want to do a cargo camera. We have the factory cargo camera option with our own custom wiring. You can put this right above your bed, and the third brake light, you'll get a great view of what's in the back of your truck. So very, very popular. Maybe some of you already have this radio. Maybe you want to upgrade to the latest and greatest, right? This one here, HD quality display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, comes with available GPS navigation. This can be installed in any 13 to 19 Ram truck. Just a fantastic upgrade. Those of you who want to add Bluetooth capability through Uconnect, we offer those kits for you folks 13 to 19. I mentioned satellite radio. Maybe you just want steering wheel controls for audio. We can do that. We also do the factory headlights, the factory tail lights, the one with the LED strip. Those are all plug and play options. We carry a wide array of different programmers to do cool things like daytime running lights on the LED strip on the bottom of your headlight. all sorts of really, really cool things for the 13 to 19 Ram trucks. All right, guys, now I want to take a minute for those of you who have the new body Ram 2019 and up. We offer awesome upgrades for you guys as well. So first of all, those of you who have the smaller touchscreen radio, we offer this particular radio, which is the 8.4 inch. This has built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We don't have enough room on the bench here for the UAV option code. That one's also very, very nice. It has a full digital screen built right into this center stack bezel. That's an awesome upgrade. What about the 12-inch? You guys have seen all the commercials for the 12-inch. Here at Infotainmentcom, we figured that out. We know how to install the 12.1 system here in any 2019 or 2020 Ram 1500 and heavy duty. Fantastic radio here. Those of you who want to add satellite radio capability, we have factory parts to get satellite radio working in your truck. We also carry power folding mirrors, right? So the 2019 and up Ram 1500, we offer the standard size mirrors. They do not have power folding as of yet, but those of you who have the 19 and up heavy duty, we do offer the power folding mirrors. Okay, so that's an awesome upgrade. We're also working on blind spot monitoring through the tailgate or the tail light and the mirror. So that is an upgrade we have coming out soon. Another thing which isn't displayed, the new Speedometer digital cluster for the 2019 and up, we also have that in the workings as well. Come check us out. We have a full 90-day warranty as well as 1-year warranties with all of our products. We have a full support team that can help you throughout the installation, answer any questions you may have, and an expert sales advice team which can help you get everything you need right the first time. We have a vehicle VIN compatibility guarantee, so we'll double check before we ship out the products to make sure it's all going to be exactly for your vehicle. All pre-programmed for plug and play installation. We build all of our own harnessing. You won't have to cut and splice. All factory parts right here through Infotainment.com. So come check us out, guys.